This is a short video to show how to make a copy in Google Docs and submit an assignment with a URL through Canvas. If you have a document in Google, you would get this screen. You would want to open it up with Google Docs. When you get the Google document, it takes a little while to do its magic, but when you get here, you would want to click into the File button and make a copy. Now, it's going to make a copy and it's going to drop into your drive now, and they automatically name it copy, but you can name it whatever you want. So when you get here, you are ready to fill in with all your individual information. When you're ready to submit the assignment in Canvas, you want to get your URL by clicking into the blue share button. Before you get the link, you want to make sure that anyone with the link can view. So if you toggle down where it says Kenai Peninsula Borough School District, you want to click into anyone with the link, and then you're going to copy the link. And when you're all ready to submit that assignment, you're going to go back into Canvas and you're going to submit that assignment by dropping in that URL and submitting, and you're all done.